This water body, this bridge is the border between Maharashtra and Goa. So once you cross this, you are in Goa. I believe the path to a good life is finding the things you love doing and get to do them as often and as much as you can. When I reflect on my life till now, there's only one thing which I loved as a child as much as I do now, and that's motorcycles. I remember the first day I rode a motorcycle secretly with a cousin, and the first day when I took a solo 50 kilometers ride without telling anyone. My love for the motorcycles has grown fonder with time. When I started earning, the first thing I bought was a Royal Enfield Himalaya. It was a dream realized. I was happy. On the very next day after buying it, I did a 400 kilometers ride in the Himalayas. It was probably the happiest I had ever been. And then I rode it from my hometown of Roorkee, Uttarakhand, where I bought it, to Mumbai, where I work. It was almost a 2000 kilometers ride. Looking back, it was a total risk, as I had never ridden more than 300 or 400 kilometers before that. But it turned out to be one of the best things I had ever done. It kinda cemented my love for riding and made sure that what I always thought was not just a delusional dream, but it was something I genuinely loved. Then for over the months, I did various short rides, or which I call the sorties, across the Maharashtra. Though not being as good as in Uttarakhand, it was quite decent. Riding my motorcycle for me, it is an escape to nothingness, to freedom.
Pulls down from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot